Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review of OZARK TRAiL 2-piece knife set. So, yep. The OZARK TRAiL 2-piece knife set. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus it a little bit better. So, you get, I don't know how good you can see it for the camera, but it says you get 5-foot 3.8-inch pocket knife. It's got to be this one. And then you get a 5-inch pocket knife. And included is a cutter's wood box and a sheath. So there's a sheath. What I said about the 5-foot 3.8 pocket knife, that's this one. I have it here, so yeah. Anyway, not much else on there. I don't know if this is their website over here, which, let's see if I can get the camera to focus a little bit. Come on. Let's that one down there, which is www.p65warnings.ca.gov. I don't think that's their website. And I don't see anything that says the Walmart website, although it does say that it's made by Walmart. So OZARK TRAiL is kind of like a Walmart brand. Just like how I believe Sheffield is a Walmart brand. So yeah, we'll give out this knife a little try to see how good it is, because I know the Sheffield one is definitely a good knife here. It looks like a pretty good box that they put it in. Almost like the KNiFE's yellow jacket. I mean, this one got the foam insert, it's got the wood, and then you got the magnets on there. Nice little slider. So I wonder if the quality of this wood is as good as this one. So yeah, let's go ahead, open it up, and check it out. I can say this right off the bat, the packaging is really cheap quality. I mean, my sister's not even cutting through it that great, so let's see here. Come on. Okay, there we go. This out of the box. So the box there is a little laser etch. Kind of what they do with most of their wooden stuff. Looks okay. Although I don't like the label here that says Walmart ink, that kind of ruins the presentation of the box. You can tell where pieces are lopped off on the box that they didn't really center it that great. But I mean, you pretty much buy it for the knives, not really for the box. So yeah, let's get the knives out of the box. Which, wow, the knives don't even want to come out of the box. That's pretty much a shame. So they just have a plastic insert versus, a foam insert. So quality's all the way going downhill. It does have a belt loop back here. So if you can see it, there's the belt loop. I guess the snap closure is pretty great. It is kind of rough, hard case here, but the back it's more of a softer feel. Let's take the little plastic cover off the knife. Yeah, it's a small little knife, but I guess it feels good in the hands. Oh yeah, definitely if you're holding it like a crambit, it feels nice. Actually, for some reason, when I hold it like this, kind of like how you hold a crambit, it feels a lot more comfortable holding it like a crambit style knife than it does with a regular traditional pocket knife. Odd. Let's hit the little spine here. Oh, come on. Wow, this knife is... that spine is stiff. Like, they need to put oil in here. Because you're supposed to be able to push it with one hand. No, you gotta agitate two. Hear that weird tiny little... I can't even close the knife. I'm not kidding you. You got a choice. Once it's open, leave it open, set it in your house, and forget about it, because you can take it with you. Oh, come on. There's no way a knife should be this hard. Yeah, the blade's not even closing. It's like locked in there, fits blade. It's almost like one of those fits knives, you know, that you have it in like a little shape, you know, and then you pull it out. Almost like a Rambo style knife, if you will. Or a Bowie knife. That's kind of what this one is now. I don't know how good you can see it, but there's actually a bit indent on my thumb here. It's red, it's sore, and that's just pushing down on the little lock release back here on the spine. There's no way that it should be that hard to go like, you need a heart to just go, hard, squeeze. This is not even folding after you hold and push it and squeeze on it. This is not even that sharp. Heck, I think a plastic knife is sharper than this. I wouldn't even bother sharpening that. Now this little one here, what do we got here? It said that there's 5 pieces on there. Wow, you got a really micro blade. I mean, I have knives like this. Let's see, where is it? This side, I believe it is. No. I guess this one's a little bit longer and a little bit more pointier. Do I have something on here? Nope, I don't think so. Nope. But little pocket knife, which for some odd reason, this little pocket mini knife is sharper than this knife. Yeah. What else do we have? We have a... Actually, they use diamond on this nail file, which is surprising, because usually on nail files they just have like... Let's see if I have it on this one. Yeah. Here we go. Usually they just use like that ground in etched kind of fish scale pattern. But this one actually is made with diamonds on it, which is good. Diamond dust. And then you have a little flathead screwdriver on this side. You have, as always, your pair of scissors. So I don't know how the heck they're saying that this is a 5-function 3.8-inch pocket knife. I am not seeing 5 functions on here. I'm seeing only 3, 4 at best. I'm seeing scissors, which is 1, a knife, which is 2, a nail file, which is 3, and a flathead screwdriver, which is 4. 5, what are they counting as the 5th one? Are they counting this little mini keychain to attach it? Because, I don't know. Because all I can see here is 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one, as they so famously claim, is not present unless they're kind of that keychain. Because it's not this, because they say you get a, what is it, 5-inch knife, a sheath, a box, and a 3.8-inch pie knife. That says it has 5 functions on there, but we only see at least 4 tops, best. They didn't do anything great like the KNiFEs. I mean, at least the KNiFEs one. This nice yellow jacket that's got carbon fiber on there. Dual blade. I can't remember if this one is the Trapper or a Must-Wear. I know one has 3 blades, which is 2 on one side and 1 on the other side. And the other one just has these 2 blades. So I can't remember if this one is the Trapper or the Must-Wear. I think this one is a Must-Wear style knife, because it only has 2. And I believe the Trapper has the 3 blades on there. But yeah, I really love this KNiFE's yellow jacket. I mean, it's like a great one. This, horrible. Blade not that sharp. You can't lock it. You can't open it. It's garbage. This one, they created just 5 pieces on this knife. There's 4 best at tops. Yeah, it's just, garbage. So yeah, that has been the unboxing review of the OZARK TRAiL 2-piece knife set. Remember to rate, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a like and a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.